Traders, I hope everyone is doing well. So last week I lost one of my biggest accounts. It was supposed to be one of my biggest achievements, but I mean, it is what it is. Hey, I lost the account. So this week I was not planning on trading at all because I was not in the right mind to be trading. But today, I mean, I'm a trader, guys, and I do this thing full time. Today, I wanted to just trade, you know. Now you can see I deposited 200 rands and I made a profit of 1.6. Right. So today, gold was giving, man. Today, gold was giving today. Okay. So I was in this trade. Now let me show you the history. I was in this trade here. It was a beautiful one. So today I was busy, man. Today I was busy. As you can see the history here. So we have this pattern here pushing down. We have this low and another low here. Okay. So I started by entering buys here. Price went up, came down. I entered another buy here. Okay. So my stop loss was just below. My stop loss was somewhere below here. And then I closed there at the top. But I want to show you something, guys. So this is okay. Now let me show you here from here. Okay, let's start here. So we have this low. Okay, so this was the target. This was the target. We wanted price to come to this level, and we see that price came to this level and started pushing up. Okay, so I started by placing buy position. I started placing buy position there. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, but it all started here, guys. It all started here. It all started here, right? All right. So this is the economic calendar, né? And at 2:30, we had initial jobless claims, right? So the forecast was at 208 and the actual came at 203, right? You can see that the actual is lower than the predicted amount, okay? This means positive for the dollar, guys, right? This is where it all started, right? It was around 2:30, somewhere around here, right? So when I saw the results, I knew that gold is going to drop, right? When I saw the results, I knew that gold is going to drop. And this is why I started by taking sales, right? I took sales. And because of this, right? This is more like a double top. As you can see there, we have this here and this here, right? So I started by placing some sales position. I was holding. I think I closed somewhere here. And then I entered again when I saw this. It went down and then I closed, right? So now I waited for this, right? So this gave me a good entry here because I looked at this and this was a nice double bottom here. And because of these guys, because of this, right? Because of this, right? Because of this. And now price was pushing nicely. I took buy position. I closed somewhere around here, okay? And price was going up. I saw this other opportunity. I entered again, buy positions here, and then I closed right there. So today gold was giving, guys. Today gold was giving. But now this is one of the tricks that you can use, guys, especially with jobless claims, because it's not that volatile. It doesn't move the market immediately. So when you see the results, you can start looking for selling or buying opportunities. So now, since we have these guys, our main target is there at the top. This is our target, right? And of course, the market does not move in a straight line, so we don't know how long it's going to take for price to get to that top. And anything can happen in between, guys. Anything can happen. See this one here? Price might start pushing to the downside. We don't know what's going to happen, right? So we're just going to observe the market structure. Is the one thing that's going to tell us what is going to happen, right? Because here we have something like this, right? There's a high chance that price might respect maybe this high, you know, price might go up, take out the high and start pushing down, right? But we know that we are looking for buying opportunities, so whatever happens, we might take some short selling positions, but we might have another opportunity like this, then we are going to place a buy position. Okay, we are looking to buy, we are looking to buy, whatever happens, we are looking to buy, right? Of course, we can still take some sells, short positions, but we are looking to buy, right? This is the origin of the move. So for this cycle to be complete, price must push, price has to push all the way to the upside to this level, then we know that this cycle is now complete. But since we don't control the market, guys, whatever happens, we're going to accept it, right? Whatever happens, we're going to accept.